All right, here we are. What? Today we have my dog Murphy. I'm going to go down. Just don't go in the water.
No, but tell Murphy that.
Welcome, friends. Today we are checking out a bridge a friend told me about, Grishamers Mill Bridge. And according to Wikipedia, the bridge is a historic wooden-covered bridge located in Oley Township in Berks County, Pennsylvania. It is 124 feet long bird truss bridge constructed in 1832. The story goes, there's a church down the road in Oley, Pennsylvania that had a daycare program, and the mother would drop off her 3 kids every morning. After the daycare, the kids would walk down to the bridge and play in the creek until their mom came and picked them up from work. However, when she got there one day, the youngest child sadly had drowned. The mother couldn't cope with the drowning, so she decided to drown the other 2 children and hang herself. Just awful. Legend has it, if you go onto the bridge with your car and shut it off and honk, you can see the mother hanging from the center of the bridge, or will hear scratching or hands swiping on your car, or afterwards see children's handprints on your windows. Going through water, I'm not. Oh, I'm getting wrapped up.
Murphy, hang around, Daddy.
Well, it's woods at nighttime. You don't know what's around you.
Murphy, I'm not going swimming.
Yeah, this just seems like a creek here. Creek? How do you say it?
I think we say it wrong. I think it's supposed to be creek.
Is crick and creek the same thing? I don't know. So this creek leads to a bridge. Apparently, a child drowned in this creek somehow. It's like 2 inches deep, but I guess. Oh, my camera just went out of focus. What? Here's Murph Dog. He's an English Mastiff. 200 pound. He's a 200 pounder. If you want to chill here, you can. I brought Murph. I want to bring him on more. Murphy is his name. I call him Murph. I want to bring him on more like hunts, because they say dogs have like another sense, like
Sixth sense?
I guess 6th sense about ghosts. Like they can kind of sense that stuff. Or I don't know. I'm gonna walk over the bridge. We're gonna go. You can stay here or walk with me if you like. But if there's someone coming, we're gonna have to get off to the side.
Yeah, exactly. Go ahead.
Can you see?
I have no stuff.
Oh.
Murphy's not letting us stay.
Have my truck parked right here in the road. I'm like right next to the road, so.
Oh, here comes a car.
Oh yeah, let's go off to the side.
Come here, Murph.
Murph. That's just people going over the bridge.
Going the other way.
No, they're coming this way.
Oh, are they?
Yeah, that's them coming over the bridge.
I thought there was another.
Why does my camera keep just like going crazy? All right, let's walk over to. It's a 1-lane bridge. I think it's called Grishmir's Mill Bridge or something? Murphy's just sniffing around.
Careful, baby.
Travis said he had like handprints on his car when he was here once, and something got stuck up under his.
He got a flat tire or something?
Yeah, something like that. Like something somehow got jammed up under his tire. Like someone put it there.
Murphy's not liking it. You don't like it.
It is creepy here. It's probably the creepiest place. Oh, someone coming? No.
No, your car. You need a logger?
Well, let's not go too far in case we got to get off. Here. Oh, someone was just drinking here. That's the Pennsylvania State beer right there. That's.
America's oldest brewery?
Don't go too far. Don't go too far. We're just gonna kind of hang out here. I guess this is where teenagers like to hang out. Oh, we can kind of go down here. Safer than being on the bridge, I would say. I don't know, but we can get down this side, so. I sprayed myself with bug spray. Oh, I think that's poison.
Great, don't walk here with them. Slow down. Okay, slow down. Get him right there, please. Wait. Yeah, you're attached to it.
Oh, there's broken glass. So here's
There's an angel right there. Just a random angel.
where?
Right there, on the seat. Right there.
Oh, look at that.
Maybe somebody did really drown her.
Maybe. Random angel right there on the stump. Yeah, it's weird just to have an angel right here in a tree stump, I would say. Someone must have put it there, I'm sure.
Well, of course. If you just... But, like, is it one of the things to mark some...
Like a grave marker?
Yeah. You
May-
know how people do that?
Yeah, like on the side of the road and stuff. Yeah, possibly.
Kind of wise.
Could be. I'm really not sure. No,
Are there houses close?
I have no idea. I mean, there's houses close. There's one right over there.
Because I can't hear anything. It could be wind.
Yeah, I don't hear it. Maybe the camera will hear stuff.
No.
He just wants to follow me.
We're not going far.
Yeah, so maybe I can get it. Here's the bridge. I don't know if I got it yet, but I don't want to be too loud because there's houses right over there. There's a church right around the corner. That's where they say, like,
Murphy. Wait.
you're gonna hear Murphy a lot. He gets yelled at. I hope the crickets aren't too annoying.
Murphy, no, we're not going in there. I'm sorry. No. He wants to jump right in. No.
He can come down here, but not.
I just don't want to go swimming.
Yeah, I hear you. Well, if he's gonna go in and you're going in, just like O's leash. Yeah, there's a house right there, so I don't want to be too. I don't want to shine my light into their house.
No, that's fine. All right. We're going down here.
Ow.
Sorry. Yeah, so you're stuck now.
Yeah, it's a cool little place. Be nice if we had a fishing rod. We could just throw in a line here.
Well, Murphy's gonna go fishing.
Murph, come on.
No, Murphy, don't drink. All right.
He can drink. He has the shots.
Yeah, he does have his shot.
Murph, all right, that's far enough.
Murphy, I swear I'm not going swimming. Maybe, are you gonna?
He can't get his footing.
I thought he was gonna sit on the rock.
Murphy's thirsty. Come on, Murph, get
Come on
out.
up. Come on up, goofball. Come on, Goofy.
Come on, Murph.
Murphy, come on.
Yeah, it's not always good to just go diving in.
Bud.
I'm stuck.
By the way, Murphy does have his own little voice that we make.
Yeah. It just goes like, hey guys.
I like.
I'm sure everyone that has a pet has their own pet voice.
What's in there?
They're just bugs.
No, it looks like.
Well, Murph's tired now.
Yeah.
All that swimming he did.
Come on, you being 200 pounds, guys.
Just waiting here, seeing if anything happens. Oh, and apparently, after that kid drowned, the mother was distraught and drowned her 2 other children and then hung herself from the bridge.
Wow.
I don't know. I don't know. That sounds very unbelievable, especially not to have any newspaper articles about it or anything.
Oh, did you research it?
No, that's what just Travis said. And he said there's nothing printed about it, but
You sure?
I would go dark, but I don't have night vision. Like a camera. I should have brought one. I have the one that Justin uses at the house.
Is that like a rope? I don't know.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, shit. Oh, crap.
Good eye.
That's kind of creepy now that you just said that and the rope showed up.
Yeah, there's a rope right there. That's crazy.
No.
I mean, it wasn't recent, but
Yeah, I know, but it's still.
it's still kind of like wild.
Yeah. Because that's kind of like a rope you would use to hang yourself on, I think.
Yeah. I wonder if it's just like time.
But that's the only one.
Isn't,
Oh, no, there's another one. Okay.
Yeah. So I don't think that was the rope, because there's
I wasn't trying to. You're fine.
because there's another. It's hard to see in the camera, but there's another rope over there.
Where's the ghost, Mickey?
Bugs everywhere. I was hoping to see a face in the water.
I know.
I'd have sick Murphy on it. Murphy's pretty calm. He's not getting upset about nothing. He's a pretty chill dog. So if he was upset about something,
That was him burping.
that was him burping. If you heard that rumble.
There way, yeah, he doesn't get too upset about anything. So when he does get upset,
It's like, what's going on?
it always piques our interest.
I'm getting attacked by bugs here.
Yeah.
Definitely gonna have to shower after this though.
For sure.
Try to, if there's any poison on me.
Oh, yeah. If there's poison, you got it.
Yeah. Oh, there's a bat.
Oh.
I hope I got him. That'd be pretty cool if I got him. I don't think I did. He was eating the bugs.
Did they eat mice? I thought?
They eat bugs.
Really?
Yeah.
Why did I think they eat mice?
Owls eat mice.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Irby said, I'm done. I'm laying down. Let's go to bed, guys.
Murph's tired. See if I can get him. I got you.
Hey, Murphy.
Yeah, Murphy's just chilling, laying down. He's hot. It's hot out today. It's like 80 degrees. Muggy. Muggy.
Are there fish in here?
It says it's stocked with stalkers.
There's people.
Sorry, I keep getting attacked by bugs. I gotta move a hand. Guess I can move my flashlight hand.
Kind of like that. It's like,
Where?
oh, okay, never mind.
Yeah, it's just like a million little bugs.
No. It looks like a lawnmower blade or something. But
Oh, okay, I see
you
it. It's just like a weird leaf.
Yeah, yeah.
Almost looks like a crazy knife.
That would be cool.
Yeah. Should be like some YouTubers. Oh, crazy. You know, like, oh, found a grenade.
Yeah. From 1854.
Yeah. Just laying here for 1,000 years and no one ever saw it. Yeah, okay.
Right next to the random ringing cell phone.
Yeah. Jeez Louise. If there's anyone here and would like to say hi, please feel free to say hi.
Here, ghosty.
That's how you call them.
Definitely.
Ghosty.
Hey, ghosty.
We would like to say hi to you. We don't want no harm.
No. And definitely stay here. Don't come home with us.
Yeah, we don't want to be family, but we wouldn't mind being friends.
We should have brought
A K2?
yeah.
Yeah, I didn't bring any ghost stuff.
Okay. It's very peaceful.
Yeah. Like if I was camping, I'd like it.
What do you see, Murphy? Watch him.
What do you see over there, Murph?
No, you gotta come in.
Murph's looking over there rather intently.
Probably a rabbit or something.
No, it's probably nothing. I heard a froggy. Well, my lights finally went off. Now it's only my blinkers. Does anyone want to say hi? Hear a plane.
You're a motorcycle.
Oh yeah, there's a motorcycle. Sounds like a motorcycle's coming at us.
Getting right down the creek.
Maybe it's a boat.
The ghost is on a boat.
That'd be wild.
Scooby-Doo. Definitely a motorcycle.
Definitely a motorcycle. Wonder if it's coming this way. Wouldn't be fun to ride it over the bridge.
I wonder if it's always this full, or if it's like this because of all the rain last night.
Maybe. It might be higher than normal. It probably goes down to like where those rocks.
Yeah.
Are you trying to bite the bugs?
I'm hungry, guys. I'll eat the bug. They're trying to bite me. I bite back. And ghosts want to say hi? Move the angel up there while we're down here.
Ooh.
Okay.
Angel's still there. Is the mother around?
Kids want to come play?
Oh, we should have brought toys.
That's what I was going to say before when he said the kids, yeah. Like a ball or something.
Yeah. Okay, driving up to the bridge.
Scary, spooky bridge.
Scary, spooky bridge. Just gonna maybe try to stay on it for a minute or two. See if we hear anything. I'm gonna shut off the car.
Oh. Are the back windows down?
Yeah. Just seeing if we see anything. That's Murphy. You probably hear him huffing and puffing away.
Yeah, that's definitely not a ghost.
He shakes the whole car.
Hi, Murphy. You're so cute.
Trying to make it not shake. I don't have it on my gimbal right now. Maybe I should have it like this. It's probably better.
Any ghosts want to cross the street?
You're not allowed to jump in with us, but you can maybe pop out and say hi. There's my mirror. Well, that'll pretty much wrap up the video. We didn't catch any EVPs or nothing, and I hope you all enjoyed meeting Murph. Catch you on the next one. Bye. I don't want to stay on here too long.